The District of Columbia 13 error code on a Samsung washing machine typically indicates an imbalance during the spin cycle, with DC standing for distribute close. This issue occurs when the clothes inside the washer are not distributed evenly, causing the machine to attempt to rebalance them. The common causes of this error code include an uneven distribution of clothes, where the clothes are not evenly distributed around the drum, leading to an imbalance during the spin cycle. Overloading the washing machine is another cause, as exceeding the maximum load capacity can result in imbalance issues. Additionally, faulty sensors or a malfunctioning control board can also trigger the DC error code if the sensors fail to detect the balance of the load correctly. To fix this issue, it's essential to evenly distribute the clothes in the machine. This can be done by pausing the machine during a cycle, rearranging the clothes inside the washer door, and ensuring that the laundry is evenly distributed around the drum. Removing any large or heavy items that may be causing the imbalance and reducing the load size can also help. It's crucial to not exceed the load limit, especially when washing large or bulky items like blankets or comforters. Inspecting the sensor and control board of the machine is also necessary. This involves turning off the washing machine, removing the cable wire from the power source for a few minutes to clear temporary issues, and inspecting the wiring harness and connections between the sensors and the control board. Performing continuity tests on the sensors to check for proper functionality and inspecting the control board for any signs of damage, such as burnt components or corrosion, can help identify any issues. If visible damage is noticed, the control board may need to be replaced, and it's recommended to contact a qualified technician for assistance.